Nyika za Sirikwa yameshika kasi. Mbio hizo zimepigwa jeki baada ya kampuni ya Dettol kudhamini shindano hilo litakalofanyika katika kijiji cha Lobo Kapseret, kaunti ya Uasin Gishu. Kampuni hiyo imetoa mchango wa shilingi milioni 2.6.
Sirikwa Classic has been on for the last 2 years. We are going now for the third year. And it's one of the international events, Wisconsin cities, which is labeled cold. And we have had very successful so far. This year is also going to be as big as it should have been before. So it is very important for us to ensure that we encourage corporates to come on board, and we're really excited and happy to have Tito with us in supporting these events.
This partnership serves as a clear testament to Dettol's commitment and an active role in supporting young sportsmen and women on their journey to success. In the years to come, they will probably carry the Kenyan flag to the global stage as they have always been. Dettol participation in Sirikwa Classic World Cross Country Tour extends beyond sponsorship. The majority of attending sports enthusiasts will have the opportunity to experience Dettol Cool as a trusted germ protection soap